Let's talk about something you use literally every single day, your calendar. We're going to look at how it can be completely transformed from just a simple scheduling tool into, well, a powerful command center. Let's see how it's done. Okay, we have all been there, right? You're trying to run an event, a meeting, really anything with more than a couple of people, and bam, something changes. The time, the location, some tiny little detail. And just like that, you are in the middle of a communication nightmare. It is a universal headache. The old way is just this chaotic mess of manual work and just constant worrying. It's a system that's pretty much built on hope. You're hoping people read your emails, hoping they see the update, and praying everyone actually shows up. It's stressful, it's inefficient, and let's be honest, it's just broken. So to really understand how to fix this, let's step away from the abstract for a minute and jump into a simple story. It's a story about an event organizer and a super dedicated fan, and the tech that connects them perfectly. So on one side, we've got Mandy. She's an event organizer for the NFL, and she is juggling schedules for literally thousands of fans. Her biggest challenge? Making sure every single person has the right info at the right time. And on the other side, you've got Fats. He's a diehard fan. He doesn't want to dig through emails. He just wants game invites to pop up on his calendar, no effort required. Let's kick things off with the fans' experience, because the real beauty of this whole system is how incredibly simple it is for the person on the other end. Fats doesn't need to download an app or create some new account. It is a 3-click journey. Seriously, Fats goes to a simple web page, pops in his email, and then just clicks a button for the teams he follows. And that's it. His part is done. It's fast, it's easy, and it totally respects his time. And instantly, boom, the magic happens. The invites for the games he picked pop up right inside his calendar. No downloads, no confirmation emails, just the information he wanted, exactly where he expected to find it. All right, now for the really cool part. Let's flip over and look at Mandy's side of this. This is where the real power is. The ability to make a change and have it just ripple out to everyone instantly without sending a single update email. So a classic scenario pops up, right? Just before the game, Mandy realizes she needs to add a little detail, a specific booth number for a fan meetup to the Cardinals game invite. In the old world, this would mean yet another mass email and a whole lot of crossed fingers. But here's the thing. Mandy doesn't log into some complicated dashboard. She just opens her own calendar, the one she already uses every single day. It's the single source of truth. It is her command center for every single event. And just look at the result. All Mandy did was add meet at booth 1200 to the notes field on her calendar event and hit save. Seconds later, Fats' calendar automatically updated itself with that new info. He didn't have to do anything at all. I mean, just think about what just happened. The entire update was completely invisible and automatic. Fats didn't lift a finger. Mandy sent 0 emails. The connection between them is totally live and dynamic. So how in the world does this actually work? I know it seems like magic, but it's really just a clever, streamlined system that's built on 3 key parts. Let's break down how they all connect. So first up, you have Mandy's calendar. Just think of it like the remote control. Every time she creates an event, or edits one, or even deletes one, she's sending a direct command into the system. It's the human interface for this whole operation. Next up is the system's brain. This is basically a central server that is constantly listening for changes on Mandy's calendar. The second it detects a change, it processes that new info and knows exactly who needs to get the update. It's the intelligent go-between. And finally, we have the fan's calendar. This is the end of the line. It's subscribed to updates from the system's brain, so it always shows the most current version of the event. It's totally passive, just making sure the fan has the right info without any work. So when you put all these pieces together, you start to realize this isn't just some neat trick for sending invites. It's a complete reimagining of what a calendar can even do. It becomes a direct, live, and totally automated communication channel. So what are the big takeaways here? Well, it's all about efficiency and control. You get to eliminate manual updates forever, and you can automatically track who's coming through RSVPs. But I think more importantly, you're creating a direct, living communication channel with your audience, one where a single change on your end updates everyone, everywhere, instantly. And really, it all leads to one final question. We tend to think of our calendars as these passive tools just for organizing our time. But what if we started thinking of them as our most direct, most intelligent, and most effortless communication tools? What could you build with that?